Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add watermark to multiple images. As we all know, it would be better if we watermark our copyrighted images before sharing in social platforms. For that, first we need to install a software named Faststone Photo Resizer. This is a free software for personal and educational use. So open your web browser and type Faststone in Google. This is the website of the developer of this software, faststone.org. Now we need to download this Faststone Photo Resizer 3.8. This is a free software for personal and educational use. You can see their license terms here. This is Faststone Photo Resizer. This is free for personal and educational use. And download this Faststone Photo Resizer 3.8. Now click on download. This is a small software of 1.5 MB. You just need to install this software. As I have already installed this software. Now here first we need to select the folder in which we have the images. My images are on desktop. Now open the folder. Here I have 5 images in this folder. Now select the image and press on add, or you can add all the images in the folder. For that you need to click on add all. Now press on advanced options. Now here press on watermark. Select add watermark. Now here we need to select the image or logo which we want to use as a watermark. I select my channel's logo. Now this is my channel logo. Here are a lot of options, like you can make your logo light or dark. And press on OK. Now we need to make a output folder. Now give direction to the output folder. Now here you can also rename these images. Now click on convert. Click on done. Now as you can see, my channel logo is added to these images. So by using this free software, you can very easily watermark your multiple images. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.